Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ClickUp for Agile Sprint Organization, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the ClickUp website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Spaces tab from the menu on the left. Click on the New Space button to create a space for your Agile team. Name your space something relevant to your project. Choose a color for easy identification. Enable the settings that best fit your team's workflow. Now, navigate to the Folders section within your newly created space. Click on New Folder to organize your projects. Label the folder with the name of your current sprint. Inside the folder, click on New List to break down your sprint tasks. Name the list according to the tasks planned for this sprint. Add tasks to this list by clicking on New Task. For each task, provide a clear title and description. Assign each task to the relevant team member. Set due dates for each task to keep the sprint on schedule. Use the priority feature to highlight critical tasks. In the task view, add checklists for detailed action items. Utilize the comments section for team collaboration. Make sure to attach any relevant documents to each task. Now, go to the Views option and select Board for Kanban style organization. Adjust the columns for To Do, In Progress, and Done as needed. As your team progresses through the sprint, drag tasks across the columns. Encourage your team to update task statuses regularly. At the end of the sprint, conduct a retrospective meeting. Review what went well and what can be improved for the next sprint. This way, you will effectively manage your Agile sprints using ClickUp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.